Could I help you? Maaari ba kitang tulungan? I wish I could swim. Sana marunong akong lumangoy. Could you repeat that? Maaari mo bang ulitin iyon? Could you do me a favor? Maaari bang humingi ng pabor? Could I park my car here? Pwede ko bang iparada ang kotse ko rito? Could I sit on the aisle? Pwede bang umupo sa pasilyo? He ran as fast as he could. Tumakbo siya ng mabilis sa abot ng kanyang makakaya. I wish I could go to Japan. Sana makapunta ako sa Japan. Could we have a table outside? Pwede ba tayong maglagay ng lamesa sa labas? He could not walk any further. Hindi na siya makalakad pa. I wish I could speak English. Sana marunong akong mag-Ingles. I could hardly understand him. Halos hindi ko siya maintindihan. I could hardly endure the pain. Halos hindi ko matiis ang sakit. If I had money, I could buy it. Kung may pera ako, bibilhin ko iyon. Could you do this instead of me? Kaya mo bang gawin ito sa halip na ako? Could you get me some milk? Pwedeng pakikuha ako ng gatas? Could you get in touch with him? Pwede mo pa siyang kontakin? Could you write it down, please? Pwedeng pakisulat? Could you please clean the table? Pwedeng pakilinis ng lamesa? Could you spare me a few minutes? Pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng ilang minuto? Could I see your driver's license? Pwede ko bang makita ang lisensya mo? Could you call again later, please? Pwede ka bang tumawag ulit mamaya? Could you help me wash the dishes? Pwede mo ba akong tulungan maghugas ng pinggan? I could scarcely stand on my feet. Halos hindi ako makatayo sa aking mga paa. Could you please take me back home? Pwede mo ba akong iuwi? Could you tell me how to get there? Pwede mo bang sabihin sa akin kung paano makarating doon? I could swim well when I was a boy. Marunong akong lumangoy nung bata pa ako. I wish you could have come with me. Sana sumama ka sa akin. Could you please move out of my way? Pwede bang umalis ka sa harapan ko? Could you give me a ride to the station? Pwede mo ba akong ihatid sa estasyon? Could you please tell me why you love her? Maaari mo bang sabihin sa akin kung bakit mo siya mahal? She was so angry that she could not speak. Sa sobrang galit niya ay hindi siya makapagsalita. How could you do this to me? Paano mo nagawa sa akin ito? Could you please repeat what you just said? Pwedeng pakiulit ng sinabi mo? Could I come over? Pwede ba akong sumama? Could you give me some medicine? Pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng gamot? If he had been there, I could have given him your message. Kung nandoon sana siya, nasabi ko sana ang gusto mong iparating.